So as you can see, here's my aquarium. It's a large aquarium I have. It's about 37 gallons. I got a mixture of fishes and a lot of shrimp in here. If you guys can see, there's one right here. Lots of shrimps in here. They do the majority of the cleaning, and I do have a lot of snails I got to remove too in the future. But I got lots of beautiful plants growing. That keeps it all going on. So after reviewing my strip that I purchased to test the water, we determined that we need to take some detoxes out of there. So after going over the chart, if you guys can see, there's a couple things I got to remove, and this is the one solution I'm going to do. I'm going to install this. So this works every 5 millimeters. It works for 10 gallons. So just be aware that if you have a large aquarium like I do, you're going to have to add a couple more millimeters. All right, so calculate that and put that in there. All right, so we're going to go ahead and install this and set this up. So the way it works, you use the cap, and there's actually on the cap it tells you 5 millimeters and 10 millimeters for small gallons and large gallons. Now it's recommended to do it every 2 days when you're conditioning the water, but test your water out. You might not need that after all. So I do have these strips that I recommend you along with these to go ahead and test your water out, so you can just make sure you're in the clear about that. So let's go ahead and do that. We just changed the water. I know there's a lot of chlorine, so we're going to add this to see how it works. All right, we just added a couple more. We're going to keep adding all the way to 10 millimeters. All right, and this is the last one I'm going to throw in here. Throw it in here. Now I like to wash it up a little bit, mix it up, and you're done. All right, just make sure that you're aware that you got to put this every 2 days if it's not conditioned properly. Keep adding. Very good for your aquariums, those that have new aquariums, old aquariums, or you change the water. Very good. It removes a couple of things that you have to know about it. All right, if you're new to fish tank life, research and see what it helps you out with, because this is a very good helpful for those people that have new aquariums or aquariums. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.